ZT30 product provides something that people may or may not even know that they need. The codes and regulations have changed so much, and they're not coordinated with one another. So a lot of electrical engineers who are designing systems are in a sort of a funny position trying to walk the line between all these codes. ZT30 gives them the capability to give real selective coordination. The ZT30 provides you with something that gives you performance even after there is a short circuit event, whereas regular UL requirements for transfer switches have lesser requirements for pass-fail. A short time rated product is a product that survives an event.
This product is pretty incredible. It has a lot of great best-in-class features, including withstand rating, close-on rating. We've got the capability of changing out for different voltages, different currents, on the fly. So it's a really great product that we're all here pretty proud of. When we first started our design, we went out and spoke with our customers. We got to understand what was important to them for this product to succeed. They start to see their ideas, being formulated into the design. The excitement starts to build in their eyes, and then it builds in ours, and you start going back and forth, and it just builds into a product form that I think is going to be very successful.
The main goal for any critical or life safety, public safety facilities is to have optimum uptime. And with the ZT30, we facilitate this by providing a solution that has one of the highest short time rating in the industry.
Carries with it a 30 cycle, a groundbreaking 30 cycle rating.
With the short time rating, this automatic transfer switch not only is able to withstand and close on to a fault event, but more importantly, is fully functional and is able to deliver power to the loads, thereby helping these critical facilities achieve maximum uptime.
Match that up with a industry-leading footprint, and you have a winning product.
One of the main highlights of the ZT30 product line is our industry-leading footprint. We've been able to truncate our bus and still able to maintain 100% top and bottom entry for cabling.
It's much smaller than the competition, and this is really important because space is money, and the consultants that are designing these systems are being driven by the owners, saying, hey, I don't want to give up space for electrical equipment. I need to be able to have space that I can rent out. I need space that I can put patients. I need space where I can put data center equipment where data is being collected, not for electrical equipment that simply supports it.
Our customers really need modularity, and one of the great benefits of the modularity is we can change out the voltage.
We included features such as the plug-and-play inverter kit, which in essence is a feature that allows you to reconfigure the source 1 and source 2 lugs without making any type of physical alterations.
They're very easy, just point to point, be able to isolate different subsections to find the root cause of the problem. And also, we're able to easily customize options in-house as well as out in the field, and then still maintain the integrity of the entire wiring subsystem.
We've got customers all over the globe. We have to ship to China, we have to ship to India, we have to ship to Australia, right? And so this modularity gives us the flexibility to meet those different needs without changing the base core product.
So lean manufacturing and ZT30 were tied together. This is an example of one of our sub-assemblies. The worm gear is made offline and attached to our mechanism. And this entire sub-assembly here then will be delivered to the operator line side to then just simply install this onto the panel. So by sub-assembling these parts and kitting them, we're able to build it faster, test it faster, ship it, and then get it out to the customer.
One of the exciting opportunities about being part of the GE critical power business is the opportunity to service critical power industries such as healthcare and data centers, and really understanding and appreciating where the product goes and what the product does for the end user, whether it be patients or users of critical power.
It's a pretty exciting place to be in terms of the products that we do offer. We've been in the industry many, many years, so we've got some proven technologies that can really help our customers.
Rush Hospital chose GE Critical Power Solutions because they have a lot of GE equipment, and there's a trust with GE and their medical equipment and their emergency power equipment and all of the equipment they buy from GE.
If you actually have surgeries or any other critical operations that are happening during a power outage, they would be seamless. There would be no power outage, there'd be no flicker, and everything would continue, and they don't have to evacuate a facility.
So we have to ensure our product meets third-party safety standards like UL 1008, as well as our own GE safety standards.
Some of the safety considerations that we put in on this new ZT30 product is the ability for the user to operate our product without having to open the front door, both in the ATS configuration as well as the bypassing configuration. So you have a built-in protective barrier. And then on the bypass, we do offer an optional shutter assembly that added another protective layer between yourself and the arc flash.
So we do a lot of design analysis, predictive analysis, and ultimately testing to validate the product meets those standards.
GE Critical Power can bring to customers in the market a full solution, everything from the utility grid down to the chip level or the board level. There's one contact point, there's one interface, and that's GE Critical Power for every stage and every electrical facet in between. We're very excited about where the market is taking us, and we're doing some great things on our product development to be ready and staged for the new systems that come upon us, what our customers demand and need.